My name is Maitreesh Ghatak. I am a professor at the economics department. I've been here for 14 years. My main areas of work are development economics and the economics of organizations. And some of the broad themes that I've explored in my research career at LSE and before coming to LSE at the University of Chicago are land reform, land acquisition, microfinance, poverty traps, healthcare delivery. These are some of the topics I've worked on, mostly in the context of development economics. I'm not primarily an empiricist, but most of the empirical context of my studies have been India, but I've also worked on Pakistan and some other settings. I am working on a number of things right now. So in particular, I finished a piece on the bicycle scheme in Bihar that played a role in Nitish Kumar's re-election. And I also currently working on the health insurance project in Karnataka, which is something that is being processed at the moment. In terms of overall sort of time frame of some of these projects, I expect them to be out in a journal, hopefully in a year or two. And it's difficult to summarize all the findings in a short time frame, but some of the sort of things that we are working on is to really look at the role of incentives in the healthcare delivery service workers and what role it plays. Similarly, in the context of the bicycle scheme, and some of the ongoing work I'm looking at are basically roles of or comparison between in-kind versus conditional versus unconditional transfers in terms of the anti-poverty programs, and in particularly looking at the role of beneficiaries' preferences, because a lot of the discussion is focused on what is logistically convenient from the sort of public policy point of view. In terms of the impact of my work, I would say that my work on microfinance has had a fair bit of impact in how empirically people have tried to figure out the role of the groups and how much that lies behind the success of some of the microfinance programs. And also my work on land reform, I studied in the West Bengal context. It's sort of, I think, reasonably well cited in terms of various cross-country studies on the effect of land tenure and its impact on productivity. I am associate of the South Asia Center at the LSE. I'm very happy to be part of the initiative that Mupalika Banerjee is heading. I really see the benefits of having a broad the main benefit is having a broad platform that will serve as a coordinating role in terms of bringing people working in different departments who are often not really talking to each other. And the fact that often some of the questions are of common interest, and even though the methods and the focuses may be different, there is value to having a common platform and having visitors who, we have already an ongoing program of visitors where people from different disciplines participate on those seminars and talks. And also the South Asia blog has been doing very well, largely to the credit of Sonali Campion. And this I think, has really had an impact in terms of how it's picked up in the Indian and to some degree the UK media as well.